Hello friends and welcome back to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about Arctic Liquid Freezer 3 Pro All-in-One CPU Water Cooling. So friends, the next generation of award-winning all-in-one CPU cooler, the Liquid Freezer 3, its future, optimized premium fan and tech the Arctic CPU water cooling to the new level of performance. It starts with Liquid Freezer 3 Pro 360, which is also available in A-RGB and A-RGB white version, and the launch also marked the introduction of the new next major preparation for the variants of 280, 240, 420 will be introduced in Q2 2025. So friend, the new Pro fan set a new standard of both high and low speed. Compared to the previous version, the performance has been increased once again for even more effective cooling with minimal noise. And outstanding features like integrated VRM fan, the well throughout cable management, and impressive 38 radiator can also be found in the Pro series with offset mounting for AMD and Intel and Arctic deliver an additional performance plus extensive compatibility, different size, long tube 240, 280 and 360 jam 450 mm, 420 and 500 mm and individual control option make the series extremely versatile, and design variant with A-RGB in black and white add visual highlight to any high performance configuration. And the Liquid Freezer 3 Pro 360, the variant Liquid Freezer. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.